everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Snack Treat or Snack Time Part 3.
Yeah.
So on this episode, we're going to be trying different candies.
Sweet snacks.
Sweet snacks. We really don't eat a lot of candy, so we're going to see how this goes.
Yeah.
Ready?
And I'm not really hungry right now, so yeah, I don't know if that's going to help.
Yeah, a sugar rush is not needed at the moment. Let's start with the nasty one first.
Yeah, because these just don't look good.
These, we know.
Okay, so I'm not a fan of banana now-laters.
Not a fan of banana flavored anything.
Yeah, only bananas. Banana candy, not something that we really look forward to trying.
Not at all.
So we're gonna give these a try.
What are they cost?
Oh, sorry. We opened these already, so these are Penny bananas. Of course, high in sugar. All of these are obviously high in sugar.
Hold on, let me see. It said Fini gelatinas.
Yeah, so they're like gummy bananas, basically.
All right.
They kind of feel like Peeps, almost. But those are marshmallow.
Yes. Oh yeah, they do feel like Peeps, and they have the same color as Peeps.
They got sugar crystals on them, so I don't know how this is gonna work out with the shine.
All right, cheers. In the trash. It tastes just like a banana flavored now and later.
Yeah.
Now and later.
With the side of
crunchy
and marshmallow. Like it's not. It's hard to describe. It's not like those troll gummy worms.
I never had that before.
It almost does have like a marshmallow kind of flavor to it.
Texture.
It's weird. Somewhere across between a marshmallow and a gummy.
All right.
It's not good. So thumbs down.
All right. So
was that a thumbs down for you?
Oh, thumbs downs always for bananas. Okay. So True Lulu. And the flavors are watermelon, red fruits, and strawberries.
Yeah, I guess these are supposed to be like little mermaids or something.
Yeah, I guess they look like little mermaids.
They're little fish.
Supposed to be a little mermaid fish.
It's not bad.
Not bad. Sour candy.
Yeah, but it's not really that sour.
It's not really sour, but it reminds you of sour candy because of the
powdery
texture.
coating on it. And
yeah,
it's not bad. Like typical type, like gummy worm with the powder sugar on it.
That's good.
Not
Thumbs
too bad.
up.
Not too bad.
I have to keep these for myself.
All right, next is something that we see a lot, whether it be like out loose or in packages like this.
When you say out loose, what do you mean?
And when we go to places
In the mall?
like the mercados and stuff, and they have like the candy. They have it like just sitting out. You got to get scoops of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So
What are these called?
gomas. These are gomas, and they're like blackberry, raspberry type candy.
That's what it looks
like.
I'm hoping it's not licorice
Obviously high in sugar.
because I do not like licorice.
You want
But
black or red?
Give me the red.
I'll try red too.
I like Twizzlers, but I don't like licorice. And
I don't know a lot of
Twizzlers-
people that actually like Twizzlers.
I love Twizzlers. Twizzlers. All right.
Red vines. Red vines are better.
Red who?
Red vines.
What is that?
Yeah, they're like Twizzlers, but they're not twisted, and they taste a little bit different.
I've never had those before. Okay, here we go.
Deprived.
Nope. Oh. Okay. Something you'll know about me, I don't like sugar crystal. I don't like anything that...
You don't like gritty anything.
yeah, grit. That, soon as it's got some type of gummy thing on the inside because I can feel the resistance when I bit. But that crunch,
Yeah,
no.
It's like a marshmallow with a bunch of flavored sugar crystals on top of it.
that's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. It's just a weird, like...
2 thumbs down.
It's still a thumbs down, but it's not disgusting.
Grit. It's disgusting.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, so we have something that looks like, or imitation of, make sure it's not open, okay. Imitation of M&M's. It's called Crash Manny. So, from the package, it's chocolate covered peanuts with a hard candy shell. So, looks like, I mean, what is those? Peanut butter, Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see the inside, but that's what it looks like. You want more than one?
I just get one.
Okay. Here we go. It tastes like M&M's with no peanut.
Yeah, hold on. If there's a peanut in there, it's tiny. And there is. It's like a half a peanut.
It must have been boiled because it has no real peanut
Yeah, it's
taste.
not like the M&M peanuts that are like roasted and salted or whatever.
It has a crunch.
Yeah,
Turned your tongue blue.
yeah.
And your finger. Yeah, that may not be a good sign.
But regular M&Ms do that too, though.
I don't think I ever had that happen to me.
So,
I guess I don't really eat the blue ones
in my
too.
line of work, dealing with people who were locked up, they would use that as like makeup.
Blue or the red?
The dye on M&Ms.
Oh, wow.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
It's not bad.
it's not bad. I'll give it a thumbs up.
I give it a thumbs up for M&M's without peanuts.
Yeah, it's a good little snacky snack. So these things we see quite a bit, and this is Nusita. And they're like the little dipping cups of I don't know what kind of filling is in here. It didn't come with anything to actually, oh wait, it did. I didn't see that in there.
It came with a spoon?
Yeah, it comes with a little dipping thing.
Oh.
Did not see that. Okay.
Oh. Look at this.
Because I was just thinking like, man, you supposed to stick your finger in this thing?
That's pretty neat.
Okay. Well,
tear one off?
Yeah. 2. Obviously, this thing is high in sugar, high in fat, low in salt.
There you go. Okay.
And as you can see here, 2 flavors. And does it say what the flavors are?
Well, it's obviously chocolate and vanilla, right? Yeah, leche, the flavor of leche, chocolate, and nueces.
Yeah.
Nuts.
So it's like, I guess the chocolate side is like Nutella almost?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna give this a shot. Let's
Which one
try it separate. Let's try both.
At the same time?
yeah. So we get the
Flavor of the together?
no. One
Oh.
one flavor at a time.
Oh. So you want to try the chocolate?
Try chocolate, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, before you respond. To me, it tastes like a melted chocolate bar, Hershey's chocolate bar, but not as strong. But you know how you open up, or no. You know how you get a Reese's cup and it melts and it's the chocolate. Yeah, it tastes like that when you lick the chocolate off the paper.
No, because I actually like the chocolate on a Reese's or
So you don't like this?
I don't dislike it. It's more Nutella than chocolate. It's not terrible though.
But it tastes like a melted chocolate bar when you open it up and you lick it.
But not a Hershey bar.
It's not as chocolatey, but it still has a chocolate
Okay,
taste.
you know what it does remind me of? 2 different things.
Okay.
One is the chocolate filling and a chocolate Oreo. The double chocolate Oreo, it reminds me of that chocolate
Okay,
filling. Also, those little generic like chocolate squares or little chocolate coins that you would get
Oh,
like
okay.
at the dollar store or whatever.
Okay, maybe that.
It tastes like that chocolate.
Okay, maybe that.
Yeah.
I'll give you that.
It tastes like that chocolate.
The chocolate coins. Okay, when it's melted. So we're trying the vanilla.
Yeah.
I know.
It just tastes like icing to me.
Yeah, like Pillsbury.
Vanilla icing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah. Ugh, that's disgusting. All right.
So all together,
Thumbs down for me. I wouldn't eat it.
I would say it's somewhere in the middle, but I got to make a choice, so I do a thumbs down.
It's not something I would go to the store and buy.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
It's for kids.
It's obviously for kids,
Yeah.
and they would probably love it, honestly. But
Yeah, anything sweet, kids like yay, except for licorice.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I can't get enough of that.
we have chocolate covered peanuts. Let's see what these taste like. You get the big one, I get the small one. Manita boba. Did I say that right? Because that's crazy.
Manitoba, yeah. No. Manitoba, sorry.
Manitoba.
Yeah.
Peanut, chocolate covered peanuts. All right.
The taste isn't bad, but it's crunchy. It's a weird crunchiness. Like it's not a regular peanut.
I think they put a coating on the peanuts. But it is a crunch compared to these. There is a crunch and you can taste the peanut.
Oops, sorry. Let's see.
There's definitely a coating.
Yeah.
It's a peanut in there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what there's
It's a
a
coating.
candy coating or not.
Yeah.
Because it has like a crunchy crunch, not a peanut crunch, like a
I get to give you
candy shell crunch.
I'll give you a perfect example. If you like the candy peanuts with they look kind of reddish brown, and it's a sugar coating, they cook it in sugar and it becomes very bumpy. What are they called?
I don't know.
It's not like baked beans, Boston baked beans. It has a crunch. I can't think of it. I eat them all the time. So it has that sugar coating on it to give it a crunch outside the peanut, and then you get the chocolate.
Yeah,
So-
it's not bad.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up.
All right, this is our last but not least.
Is it? Yeah.
If you like Werther's Original, the soft chewy candy, I think this is what this is, except for they have filling on the inside of it. They have sweet milk, they have caramel, no, bun, like a bun, and chocolate. So they're called butter toffees. All right, sweet. And they're high in sugar, high in fat, medium in salt.
See if I can get a chocolate one here. Yeah.
I'm going to try the bun. Bonobun. Yeah, bonobun. You want to show what it looks like?
So I can kind of, it's a little translucent, so I can see that there's chocolate inside it.
This one is just caramel looking. I don't know what's inside. Let me break it open.
Can you?
Yeah. Oh, it's the same as, I don't know if that's the
It's got some kind of filling in it, but yeah.
filling on the inside, but
All right. It's
not
definitely
bad.
it's definitely a grandma candy. Like she got to dig through her purse to find something to give the grandkid. You know, here, take one of these.
okay, the more I eat this, I don't like the bun. I don't know what it is. The two flavors for me don't go together.
And the chocolate,
I'm gonna try the sweet though.
I can't really. Chocolate doesn't have a strong taste, so I can't tell how prevalent it actually is inside there.
So this is the sweet milk. So it looks the same as the bonbon. Let me see if it has a different. Okay, this has
It's darker. It's like that's the caramel.
no sweet leche.
Oh, leche.
Sweet milk. So it has a little brownness to it. Okay. I can get down with that one. What does it remind me? Oh, it has that flavor of when you get a drumstick,
You mean
the ice cream.
ice cream?
And you get the caramel one that has that milk. I mean, the ice cream with the caramel on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
That's the flavor I get.
Yeah, because I don't like those. I like the chocolate ones.
So, on the butter toffees,
They're okay. It's
they're okay.
emergency candy.
thumbs up. And, I'm a grandma, so.
Emergency candy. Not something I would just go and just buy the snack on.
Not something I would have in my purse with my grandkids either.
But if you happen to have it, it's
most likely if I'm having kids with me, grandkids.
Yeah. It'll satisfy the sweet tooth.
I'm gonna have the True Lulus.
Yeah, those probably go real well.
So we gave thumbs up on the butter toffees. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's my number one is True Lulus.
You said number one.
The top.
Right.
True Lulus. Mm-hmm. Number two, these, and then I guess number three will be these.
Chocolate covered peanuts.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's yours?
I would go True Lulu first, and maybe these Crash Money. Like they really ain't that bad.
So because you like M&M.
Yeah,
anyway.
I like peanut M&Ms, and then these.
So not the butter toffees at all.
That would be fourth.
That would be fourth. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Least this. Well, wait. No. For me, at the bottom.
Yeah.
Of the list.
Below the bottom.
And then the banana, and then Nusita.
Yeah.
Because this, I mean, if you could, I gotta just show you.
If you got kids, all these might be fine. But.
Look, do you see the little crevices on this candy that shows that these are serious sugar crystals? Trash. Okay. If you like crunchy candy and something that's appears to be sugar-covered dirt, this is it. Sugar-covered dirt, sugar-covered sand, sugar-covered gravel, anything that sounds like you're gonna break your teeth.
Yeah,
They ain't
good. Like I say, kids might like them, kids might love them, but for us, for adults,
I
don't know.
Not for me.
That's just our rating. And like I said, these are some of the candies we see. We obviously couldn't do too many at once because I'm already sugared out right now. So we might try this again with a different set of candies. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, but in all, the top three wasn't bad.
Yeah.
And there are plenty more
options out there.
Yeah. We're still going to try some other brands of Ecuadorian brands of foods as well.
And snacks.
Yeah, so.
And maybe potentially some adult beverages.
Are we gonna be able to?
If we can actually post it, we'll see.
Look, are we gonna be able to talk through?
Well, yeah, we have to
do some little shots.
Yeah.
What shots?
A flight. Yeah.
A flight. Okay.
Anyway,
we'll see.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll be back real soon.
Bye.
Bye.